Welcome to Graphic 45. I'm Aimee Filimoehala and I'm here to show off our latest Deluxe Collector's Edition, Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home is a perfect collection for all of those gardeners out there, bakers and cooks. This collection is perfect for those recipe books and so many other wonderful paper crafting projects. So come on in a little closer and let's get a tour of Home Sweet Home. So diving into Home Sweet Home, with our collector's edition, you're going to be getting 24 double-sided sheets of paper, and you're going to be getting 3 of each of the Home Sweet Home so you can create and make all of those beautiful paper crafting projects. And of course, with Home Sweet Home, our signature page is going to be the theme setter for the collection. And you can just see the beautiful imagery that you can just go in there and cut apart. And of course, with those beautiful poppies to start creating those beautiful projects. On the B side of this paper, we have this gorgeous kind of check plaid. It's really nice blue tones. They'll be super usable in so many projects. The next paper is called Garden Fever, and I just love this floral paper. Nicely set on that blue background with those just vibrant florals popping and some fruit. Just perfect for those summer projects. On the B side of Garden Fresh, you have these beautiful just red ditzy. It's a really usable pattern for so many of those backgrounds for your projects. And Country Life is this really fun cut apart paper that you could use by cutting up the borders, or you have these fun little just vegetable seed packets that would be really cute, cut apart and used in different ways to embellish some projects. I've seen some really beautiful recipe books created using this collection, and in particular this paper. On the B side of Country Life, you have this really great text page with a bunch of labels. Home Sweet Home. There's no place like home. And here is Granny's Quilt, and Granny's Quilt, isn't that paper just so fun? Incorporating a lot of the different patterns you see in the line, creating that beautiful quilt pattern. On the B side of Granny's Quilt, you have this really great deeper blue ditzy paper. And then we have Apple Pie. How about this? Really fun cut aparts. Apple pie without cheese is like a kiss without a squeeze. We've got some fun little grandma's apple pie recipe there. And the thing that's great about the B side of this is you can cut that apart, and then you could easily just add some cardstock and create little recipe cards using those cut aparts. And that's the B side on that one. And then we have Handmade, and Handmade has so many beautiful images that are just perfect for just with the cows and the eggs and the little water pail pies. This is making me hungry. And then of course, that classic picnic table pattern for the picnic tablecloth. This is just perfect for summer and setting that theme. Love it. We have Market Fresh. This paper is just so vibrant and crisp, with all those fun veggies and fruits on there. Very cool. And then on the B side of Farmer's Market, you have this really fun pattern created using the little tomatoes and the peas on that picnic table pattern. And we have another really fun cut apart page, but these are great because they were created So you could actually fill them out and make recipes. Put your favorite recipes on there for a recipe book, or journaling cards for your scrapbooks, or mixed media albums. So many options. And then on the B side of that paper, we have this really fun text page incorporating a lot of those beautiful texts that we see throughout the collection. So with those 24 double-sided sheets, you're gonna also be getting some embellishments. You're going to be receiving these 2 sticker sheets that are 6 inches by 12 inches. And they come with these beautiful borders and just some labels, little decorative corners, little frames, just all these fun little embellishments to add to your projects. And you can see that the second sticker sheet is unique as well. And it comes with all of those fun little decorative stickers and some smaller borders down here, these fun labels as well. And then you'll also be getting a chipboard set that will help with adding that dimension, 3D dimension to those projects. Love this one, Happiness is Homemade. These little tabs to add at the top of some of your projects. Just these little tags that you can just, and then this frame around the Home Sweet Home. So fun. So you can now get the Home Sweet Home Deluxe Collector's Edition on g45papers.com, or check out your favorite local supplier or online store. And thanks so much for joining me, and have a great day.